Hey, Joe? Why am I here? I mean, what is my purpose in all this?
The doctor said you were important, but he didn't really explain why.
Important? I like the sound of that.
Bear in mind that the doctor seemed crazy as a loon.
Now, don't be jealous, Joe. Just because I'm more important than you.
Yeah, whatever. But can we please go now? I don't want to see another coffin for the rest of my life. This can't be. We're back in Quiet Haven.
Sure looks like it. Maybe this would be a good time to explain what's going on. Holy mother of...
I'm just gonna cut this short.
Are you sure? It seems there's a lot going on here.
You're right. Let's start from the very beginning then.
Yay, story time!
It's not really the kind of story you'd like to hear.
I expected that much, but let's hear it anyway.
We've been going through a rough patch with my wife, arguing pretty much every day. I don't know what's gotten into her, but I found this place online. Quiet Haven Hotel. So I thought, why not go away for a weekend? Just me and Ivy. Maybe it wasn't too late to fix it. But I messed up again. I should have been a better husband.
What did you do?
I'm not even sure. She didn't want to talk to me at first. And when we finally got to our room, I kinda wished we never opened our mouth at all. And the next day she was gone.
Gone home?
No. Taken away. Kidnapped. I know this sounds absolutely fucking crazy, but it was a monster.
Have you seen it?
Sort of. It's hidden away for now.
Where?
Inside the mirror. I'm not sure. It's really confusing.
Well, how do we get there?
This is the worst part. I have to kill 4 memories of this monster to open the mirror.
What?
They're ghosts. Memories. Is anything here real anyway? This is all just a bad dream, and I'm not gonna think twice about it when it comes to saving Ivy.
But you can't. Dream or not, I can't believe you would do such a thing.
What choice do I have? I can't leave Ivy to die.
But you can't just murder somebody. Unless you already did.
You weren't there.
I'm starting to think I was wrong about you. Maybe you're not a good guy after all.
They're not people. They're hideous, evil beings.
And you really believe Ivy's inside the mirror?
Yes, you'll change your mind when you see them. The first one practically begged me to kill her.
Yeah. Still not a fan of this venture, I'm afraid. But I'll hold my judgment for now. Okay. Anything else I need to know about? Do we need to blow up an atomic bomb at some point? Are we opening an interdimensional portal for the man-eating beast to plunder the Earth?
No, that's pretty much all. Except, didn't you have something for me?
What?
Just before we got attacked by the Axeman, you said you had a message. A note or something?
Ah, yes. Completely forgot about it. Here, take it. Okay, lead the way, dude. Let's go save your wife. She'd better be worth it.
No way. Do you know what this is?
Yes. It's a house, Joe.
Not just any house, you smartass. My wife and me. We used to dream that one day we'd get a place outside the city. We planned every detail. A 2-story white house with red flowers at the front. She always liked red flowers. And I would drive a red Cadillac. My dad had one back in the States.
Like that thing over there by the shed?
Yes, exactly like this. God damn it. Why did we fuck it all up?
Hey, what's that?
This? That's... It's weed.
Weed? Like cannabis?
Yep,
There's a lot of it in there.
yep,
Oh, and it stinks.
yep,
Do you smoke this stuff, Joe?
yep. I'll take some with me, actually.
Who's Ben?
Give me a hand, Agnes.
Hey, I know this one. It's Coldplay, right?
No, it's not Coldplay.
But I'm sure I've heard it before. Keep playing. I've almost got it. You're pretty good, Joe.
Nah, I haven't played in years. Anyway, that's enough. We don't want to spend all day fooling around. No. No, no! The pack got stuck. Come out, you damn thing! Come out!
My mother is crying. I laugh as the train passes by. The corpse of the cat moves. We smile as the cucumber is eaten. Screaming isn't just a plant. Moving, regurgitating, repulsing. Worms and insects leave behind our skins. My meat is decaying, while the children with deformed faces dance inside my empty mind. The sun starts to rot as I hear the singing flower pot. The mother ate her child with her sticky and slimy mouth.
I miss you. I do. I force myself to hate. Still there, deep in my soul, you live. And through my eyes, every day, you cry.